Alright, so I'm going to put the Avail Cush drive in today. I've been waiting a while for them to get the material back in stock to make these. It sounded like they didn't even know if they would continue making them because the material is so scarce. So basically, like they were in stock. I don't know if they still have them. If they do, I would jump on them if you want them, because I don't know when they'll have them in stock again. So basically, all you got to do, I already got the axle. Like, I just got to pull it out. I already took the nut off. So you want to take the axle out, hold the wheel. We'll pull the wheel off, and then we just got to pull the top part of this off. Take out the stock Cush drive, put the new one in, and slap it back together. Takes like a few minutes. It's really not a big install, but apparently it makes a huge difference, and a lot of people are swearing by it. So like I said, I already took the nut off this. I'm going to pull this axle out and get this wheel off. Alright, so you got the wheel off. This literally just pulls off. Let me see. Might have to. There we go. See that? So put that down. Now this is your stock Cush drive. Those little gaps, they sit right on these little ridges. So we'll take that out. And there you go. Simple as that. Now we're just going to take the new ones, put them in. And that's really all there is to it. So now take these. I don't know if it really matters, but I'm putting the name up. When I take the wheel off, I can see I got sick parts in here. Just kind of press them in place. There you go. It's as simple as that. You can use both hands to be a lot quicker. And yeah, it just sits right there. Let me see. Now when you take this, obviously you can see the gaps. So just set that right in. Alright, so you'll see the gaps when you do it. You gotta really like kind of like wiggle it around, let it kind of move things out of its way. You just gotta kind of press it in. And there you go. It's all put together. Now I'm probably gonna clean, so I got these Grom speed spacers. I mean, they're cool. Like, I've seen videos where they create leisure drag. That's really all it is. Either way, your wheel spacers, the nice thing about these, they have a lip on them. So when you put it in, it kind of holds. Like, a lot of the time, this actually doesn't even fall out. But either way, I'm going to clean all these off. While this is out, I'd clean your wheel spacers. I'll probably clean the axle up too. And yeah, just clean these up, put them back in, and then just, if you haven't put the wheel back on, you got to kind of like hold the wheel in place, get the chain around it, start the axle. It's kind of a pain, but it's really just lining shit up. I might actually swap out my front sprocket while this is off too. You know, if there's other things you want to do, now is a good time to do all that. But yeah, so I'm going to clean everything up and slap this back together. So that's all there is to it. I just threw the wheel back on. I noticed with the new Avail one, it held this in place a lot better. When the stock one's in, a lot of times it tends to like try to fall out when you're putting the wheel back on, but it held a lot better. I would say that if you want it, I would jump on it quick, because I don't know when they'll have more in stock. Like I said, it took a little while for them to get these in stock. They've been out for a long time now. So if they still have them, I'd say get them now. And yeah, quick 5-minute install, really not much to it. I obviously don't know the difference yet. I keep hearing it's like a world of difference. So especially if you're doing stunting, I would definitely suggest getting this. Alright, so I'll do another one about the chain and sprocket. Like I said, I did the sprocket while I was up, just because I had the wheel off, and I gotta change my chain soon. So I'll be making one where I just do all that at once. Alright, so I'll see you guys later.